Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Caribbean. So, today we are going to be learning all about the products and the natural resources that are in the Caribbean islands. So, make sure you have your reading so you can follow along with me and a pencil or a highlighter. So, again, you can highlight those key components as we go. At the end, you're going to be answering these 3 true or false statements. The first one is Grenada is called the rice island because it produces more rice than any other country. The second statement, the islands of the Caribbean have very few animals. And the third statement, tourism is the most important business on most of the Caribbean islands. So we're going to be listening to about Grenada, the animals, and tourism today. Let's get started. Because of their small size, the Caribbean islands do not have many natural resources. The most important natural resource is the beautiful beaches. The beaches attract millions of tourists every year, and many of the Caribbean people have jobs related to tourism. There's a hint to your question. Tourism helps to give everybody in the Caribbean jobs. The Caribbean has many forms of wildlife. There's another hint to our true-false. The waters are home to manatees, porpoises, meaning like dolphins, sharks, and sea turtles. Over 500 different kinds of fish live in the coral reefs. The islands are home to snakes, iguanas, parrots, flamingos, and bats. Cuba is home to the world's smallest bird, the zunzuncito, which means a bee hummingbird. It weighs less than 1 ounce and as small as a grasshopper. And here is a picture of it holding a penny. So think of the size of a penny. That is the size of this little bee hummingbird. While tourism is the most important business on the other Caribbean islands, hint, agriculture is the most important business in Grenada. Remember, agriculture talks about farming. Grenada is extremely fertile, meaning things grow well. The locals say, drop a seed anywhere and it will grow. The center of the island is a jungle of flowering plants, including orchids, oleander, and hibiscus flowers. Grenada is called the Spice Island, hint, not the Rice Island, the Spice Island, because it produces more spices than any other place on earth. Grenada produces many spices, including cloves, ginger, and nutmeg. There are farms on many of the other islands too. They grow coffee, cocoa beans, and sugar cane. Other farms produce tobacco and indigo, which is a plant used to make blue dye. Plantains, pineapples, coconuts, tomatoes, bananas, peppers, pumpkins, guava, avocado, and yams are also grown on many of the islands. Yams are kind of like a potato. Many people in the Caribbean have banana trees in their backyards. Plantains look just like bananas, but are larger and thicker and have a little bit different of a flavor. They're not quite as sweet as bananas. Some of the islands have factories that produce medicines, chemicals, electronics, clothing, and even food products. Some gold, silver, and bauxite, which is what we use to make aluminum, are mined in the Caribbean. The Dominican Republic is one of the world's most important sources of amber. Amber is a fossilized tree resin, which is very popular in jewelry. And this picture up here is amber. It's fossilized tree resin, and you can see there's a mosquito that has been fossilized inside that amber or resin. All right, next time I see you, we'll be talking about the landmarks and the culture of the Caribbean.